In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign out from Gmail on mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, so let's get started, and first off, open up Gmail app. Once you are on a Gmail app and you have logged into your account, tap at the top right corner at your profile picture. That will show you all your Gmail accounts in that list, and in order to sign out from any of your accounts, just tap at the very bottom where it says Manage Accounts on this device. That will show you the list of all your accounts again, and that's where you can remove any account from this device. All you have to do is just hit at that button which says remove from this device. Just tap on it. It will say that this account and any unsaved data will be removed from Gmail and other Google apps on this device. If you want to continue, hit at remove. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.